Hello YouTube, this is Quentin. Today I'm in my garage looking today at my LiftMaster 1/3 horsepower chain drive garage opener with our car parked in the garage. Now we cleaned our garage out. You see, our car is parked in the garage. It's our Camry parked in the garage. Okay, now we'll, hang on guys, let me take the blocker thing out. By the way, that's the washer going. Go let the cats know that the thing's gonna be blocked. Now the washer is ready to drain the water out. I'm really into washers and dryers and garage door openers too. You'll hear it drain. Well, anyway, without further ado, now we'll go ahead and open the garage door in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's close it. I have my remote. I have the LiftMaster remote in my mom's car. It's in my mom's Toyota Camry. It's in the Camry. I know there's a Craftsman opener that we're gonna move to a new house. There it is, the remote. Now we'll go ahead and shut the door and watch the garage door from the backside by showing up the phone, and I'll duck so that the neighbors can't see me. Here we go. Now we'll close it. Yes, indeed, our car is parked in the garage. My dad may not know that our car is parked in the garage. So, I know the lights in our Camry are pink. Okay. Okay, that's our car. There's the Camry parked in the garage. I just had to open the light lens cover and change the bulb from our 1/3 horsepower LiftMaster garage door opener. Okay, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna shut the video down. Okay. Alright YouTube, thank you for watching that video of our garage door opener. See you later and take care everyone. Peace out. Bye.